In the radiant sun, three bullocks, black, brown, and white, find serenity in a vast green field, their peaceful grazing a testament to harmony. Side by side, they share the field's bounty, occasionally seeking refuge from the sun under the generous shade of an ancient tree. Their synchronized movements highlight a deep, unspoken bond. Unseen, a predator lurks in the forest shadows, its hungry gaze fixed upon the unsuspecting trio, a silent promise of impending danger. Frustration simmers within the lion as the bullocks continue to graze, oblivious to the danger. Beneath the ancient tree, a solitary lion sits in silent contemplation, amber eyes narrowed. The lion rises with predatory grace, padding softly towards the black bullock. The lion's voice cuts through the calm. Your friends don't truly like you. They talk about you behind your back. The black bullock looks confused and hurt, its dark eyes widening with uncertainty. The lion's words are like poison, seeping into the bullock's mind, eroding the bonds of trust. In the expansive green field, three bullocks graze in solitude, each maintaining a careful distance from the others. The black bullock stands alone, a palpable sense of dejection radiating from its posture. Unbeknownst to the brown bullock grazing peacefully near the forest's edge, danger lurks. A terrifying roar shatters the serenity as a lion bursts from the bushes, launching a fierce chase after the brown bullock. The white bullock watches on, its eyes wide with fear, as the brown bullock flees into the dense forest. Realization dawns on the black bullock as it remains frozen, understanding the devastating consequences of their broken bond.